In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change your Instagram account from a business account to a personal account. Making this switch is simple and can be done in just a few easy steps. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, you'll see a section called For Professionals, and in that section, you'll see an option called Business Tools and Controls. Just tap on it. Then scroll down a bit, and you'll see an option called Switch Account Type. Tap on it. All you have to do next is tap on this option. Switch to Personal Account. Tap on it again to confirm it. This is exactly how you can change your Instagram account from a business account to a personal account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.